Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see Shopify integration with Hiver and how we'll be able to pull key Shopify data into Hiver conversations. Firstly, we have to go to admin panel, go to app section, and in the app section, we can see Shopify app in the marketplace. I have to click on it, click on start setup. So for the base URL, we just have to simply paste the URL of my store. I'm just pasting it. And in the Shopify name, I'm going to my Shopify admin panel. So from here, I'll just get my shop name. And for client ID and secret, we have to create an app in Shopify and install that in my Shopify store to use that specific app in the Hiver authentication. I'll go to Shopify admin panel. I'll go to app section, click on develop apps, click on build apps in Dev Dashboard. So I'll create a new app. I'll give the name as Hiver app. Once I give the name, I have to give the API scopes. So I'll click on select scopes. I'll give read and write read customers and write customer scopes, and then read orders and write orders. So once I give all of these scopes, now I have to enter the redirect URL. For me to get the redirect URL, so we have to go to the Hiver panel. From here, we can copy the redirect URL. Once we get the redirect URL, we have to paste it here. Once we have entered the scopes and the redirect URL, we have to simply release this. Yeah, now the app is released. I'll go to app section. So I have to install this app in my Shopify store. I'll click on install. I'll click on install app. So this is my store. I'll be installing for my store. Yeah, I'll click on install. Now the installation has been done. If you just refresh this page, you can see there is one installation. So now I have to go to settings. In settings, I can find client ID and client secret. So I'll copy the client ID from here and I'll paste in the client ID field in Hiver. I'll copy client secret from here and I'll place client secret here. So in the authorization endpoint URLs, so we have to paste the shop names here. Now we have all the details ready. All we have to do is click to authenticate. Now the authentication is successfully done. We have to select on what all shared mailboxes and shared inboxes in Hiver do we want to look at the Shopify data. So here I'm selecting my shared mailboxes, and this is the role where I want everyone in my shared mailbox to actually view at the Shopify data. Once that is done, I'll just click on save and enable. Got it. Now the integration has been established. I'll quickly show you how. Now the integration has been established. So we have to set the visibility tabs. So what all specific details which we wanted to view in Hiver, we can configure from here. Firstly, I'll click on this. So as you can see, I have selected my inbox and the role for this specific record. So in the same way, I have selected for all the records where I've seen the list of orders, orders info, line item info, and the customer info. So once this is configured, I'll go to conversations. So if you can see in the right panel, we can see a Shopify icon here. So this is a query which I received from my customer about the refund status of this specific order. So now if I want to look at any data related to that order or that customer, I'll be able to view that specific data from the right panel, something like this. Thank you so much.